Yo Brosif, Chuck here, back with another unlisted update. So this is my first time experimenting with a hardwiring kit, and I'm having a little bit of fun here. And I wanted to show you something I discovered. So right now I have the GNET 2 running in regular recording mode with both cameras, of course, and the Wi-Fi is on. And for some reason this camera, it defaults that the Wi-Fi is on when you turn it on. And right now I've got it hooked up, and my voltage is 13.4 and the current draw is around 325 or 335 milliamp. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in parking mode and I'm going to turn the Wi-Fi off. So let me put it in parking mode. Okay, and now I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi power is off.
Okay, so what that has done to the current draw is it's dropped it down to 235 milliamp. So that is an energy savings of 100 milliamp. Now, why is this important? Well, during my heat test today, I've been shooting it with my infrared pyrometer here. And when I was running the camera in regular recording mode, the temperature was 112 degrees Fahrenheit or 44 degrees centigrade. And when I put it in parking mode and turned the Wi-Fi off, it dropped the temperature down considerably to 96 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius. So this does two things. It saves 30% energy, and so this will increase runtime if you're running it off a battery pack, or if you're running this camera off the vehicle battery. If you enable the low battery power shutoff, it will increase the runtime by 30%. And also because of the heat, it's dropping at 16 degrees Fahrenheit or 11 degrees centigrade. The temperature could prevent an overheating condition, an overheating shutdown on a hot day. So this is pretty neat with the hardwiring kit. Putting it in parking mode and turning off the Wi-Fi can prevent an overheating shutoff and increase battery runtime. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.